What's up, guys? We are back and we are working on the C63 today. As you can see, I've masked off the bottom. We are going to be deleting the chrome. So yeah, I masked it off. I actually doubled up on the masking tape just because I don't trust my knife work. But yeah. Done. Kind of not perfect at all. It's kind of messed up right here. And right here is probably gonna lift, but yeah, looks pretty good from 5 feet away. I'm gonna get started on the bottom. What's up, guys? We are here at the next day and pretty much finished this side off camera. It looks absolute garbage, but yeah, pretty sure it's gonna start peeling soon or lifting. Right here, I didn't really do it down here because I didn't want to take off the side mirror. So you can see a little bit of chrome right here, but yeah, no one's gonna see it anyways. Doesn't look too bad. I'm gonna have to do these door handles as well. Just doing this part, or this driver's side right now. This part's probably the hardest down here, just because there's not really much to grip or the vinyl to adhere to up here, and it's kind of hard. Like, you have to cut it exactly, so that's what sucks. Finished with the driver's side. Definitely looks way better than the passenger side. What's up, guys? We are going to be continuing with the chrome delete on the C63 today. Next on the agenda is the passenger side door handles. So I already got it disassembled. It was pretty easy. I'll show you how to do it on the driver's side once I get to it. But yeah, working with a fat roll of vinyl right here. Got it for 10 bucks on Marketplace. So pretty deals. So yeah, let's get started. Finish with the passenger side. There's a little air bubble right here. Tried to cut it with the knife, but didn't work. Doesn't look too bad. It's pretty sick. So take off the door handle. Use a little plastic trim removal tool to remove this little rubber stopper, which goes here. Then I use a T15 screw screwdriver to take off this little screw in here, and then just kind of wiggle this part loose right here. Sorry I didn't show it because my hands were a bit preoccupied, but yeah, you just kind of wiggle it loose and it'll just eventually come loose. The actual handle itself, you just kind of like pull it away from you and then it should come out. But yeah, just gonna get started wrapping this. So all done. Looks pretty good. gonna have to definitely give it a wash. Both of them. But yeah, it's pretty nice now. What's up, guys? We are back with the C63. It is finally washed and waxed. Check it out. Well, that is it for this one. Let me know what you guys think. I think it turned out pretty nice, pretty sick compared to the chrome. But yeah, catch you guys in the next one.
Sash.